We often talk about life as a straight line, a steady climb towards a peak. But the truth is far more rugged. Life is a series of seasons, some filled with the warmth of harvest, and others with the biting cold of a winter that feels like it will never end. If you are standing in that winter right now, hear this. Your current chapter is not your conclusion. Strength isn't found in the absence of failure, it is forged in the furnace of it. We admire the oak tree not because it never faced a storm, but because its roots grew deeper every time the wind tried to tear it down. Resilience is the quiet, stubborn voice at the end of a hard day that says, I will try again tomorrow. A comeback is one of the most powerful narratives a human being can write. It requires a radical kind of honesty, the courage to look at your wreckage and see not an ending but raw material for something new. You are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress at the exact same time. The world may measure you by your falls, but you must measure yourself by your rises. Every setback is actually an invitation to reinvent yourself. It is an opportunity to shade the versions of you that no longer serve your soul. When you feel like you've been buried, remember that a seed feels the same way before it breaks through the earth to find the sun. You aren't being crushed, you are being planted. Hold on to your hope, protect your inner fire. Your greatest victory isn't winning without a fight. Hold on to your hope, protect your inner fire. Your greatest victory isn't winning without a fight. It's standing back up when the world thought you were finished. Your comeback starts the moment you decide you aren't done yet.